I'm Eshan Shams and I'm a Star JetLearner. My name is Eshan Shams. I'm 13 years old. I've been living in Qatar for the past 11 years. It was when I actually started doing it in school. I found an interest in it and found all the different things you could make, like games and convert converters and stuff. I actually started off at scratch like a long time ago when I was in primary school, but I haven't done much. I haven't studied much coding since then. It was only in school last year where I started learning Python, and then I started doing some practice outside of school, and then eventually I started taking JetLearn courses. So happy! I didn't think I would get it this soon, actually, because I've only been doing it for a few months. So it was a really happy moment for me. My parents were extremely happy. They really wanted me to learn coding. It is a really important skill, honestly. As the world advances, it's important to learn different languages. I've been able to take more of a logical approach. Coding has really helped me, like, it's just improved my problem solving skills a lot, actually. I can reason better and find the root of problems now. Definitely. It's a really important skill and it can lead to so many opportunities. I'd like to start developing games sooner. One project I had in mind was like building classic arcade games. But I don't think I'm at that stage yet, but maybe after a few months I'll learn the proper skills. She's great. She explains the topic we're learning in detail and in a way I can understand easily. And every issue, if I have any issue, she stops what she's doing and directly just takes a look at it. And instantly she can solve the problem. I wanted to make something useful and convenient for others to use, so I thought a currency converter would be a good idea. A few weeks ago, I just finished my beginner Python course and I started learning Tkinter. So I've been able to actually start developing apps. So there's nothing much to it, actually. It's just a simple currency converter. So for example, if I type 5 rupees, it'll convert it to USD. So if I ever want to change the conversion rate, I just have to change the number here.